Imagine a place where luxury meets leisure, where every day feels like a vacation. Welcome to Reunion, a true gem in the heart of Central Florida. At Reunion, you're not just buying a house, you're buying a lifestyle where every day feels extraordinary and the possibilities are endless. Ready to find your dream home in Reunion, Florida? Let's go take a look at one that's for sale. A beautiful 12-bedroom, 12-bath luxury home that's generating over $250,000 in rental revenue yearly. Located just minutes from the magic of Walt Disney World, Reunion is a short drive from Universal Studios, SeaWorld, and Orlando International Airport. It's your gateway to the best that Florida has to offer while still being a world of its own. Reunion isn't just a community, it's an experience. Picture this: 3 signature golf courses designed by legends Arnold Palmer, Jack Nicklaus, and Tom Watson. Add to that a private water park, tennis courts, and luxury spa services. Whether you're an adventure seeker or a relaxation enthusiast, there's something here for you. Imagine discovering a community that offers this kind of lifestyle. Mornings start with a cup of coffee on your balcony overlooking the golf course. By mid-afternoon, the kids are riding slides at the water park while mom enjoys some downtime at the spa, and dad enjoys a round of golf in one of 3 signature courses. And dinner? It's a rooftop view paired with unforgettable flavors and a magical Florida sunset. Oh, and did I mention that this is a fully gated community with 24-hour security guards and manned gates? Now here's the best part. Reunion offers a variety of stunning homes, from cozy condos to sprawling estates. Whether you're looking for a personal paradise, a second getaway, or an investment property, Reunion delivers. Many properties here even come with a short-term rental opportunity. Imagine owning a vacation home that pays for itself.
Welcome to 1561 Corolla Court. This beautiful home sits on a cul-de-sac here on one of the 3 golf courses that we have here inside of this neighborhood. Now we have an interesting walkway to the entrance. We go down the side of the house here to kind of the midway point of the house where the main entrances are located at. As we walk into the house, first thing you notice is we have plenty of windows here inside of this house. We have a formal sitting area as soon as you walk in that greets you and your guests the moment you walk into this house. Up next, we come into the open concept. That's one of the beautiful things about this home, is this beautiful open concept. We have this tall ceiling here over the living room to create a grand feeling whenever you're here in your living room inside of this house. Right over here, we have an assortment of charcuterie for you guys. Does not come with the house. But here we have brown cabinets, we have dual fridges here. This is a 12-bedroom, 12.5 bath house, so you can imagine that it can fit at least a couple dozen people in here. So we do need a couple of ovens. We do need a huge stove. By the way, this is a gas stove, something that you don't find in a lot of places here in Florida anymore. 2 dishwashers, and 2 microwaves as well. Here we have the dining room. One thing I love about this house is all of the glass doors. These glass doors do open up either this way or this way to create a very open space here that leads out to the patio and the pool deck as well. And we're gonna take a walk out this way because we have to click the little button here so the alarm doesn't go off. So we walk out to the pool area. We have a very unique shaped pool. There wasn't a lot of space back here to build a pool, but they were able to manage this. I don't even know what shape it is. The selling point of this home is obviously this back here, guys. We are on one of the holes of the golf course back here. It is extremely quiet, extremely peaceful. We've watched a few golfers come in. Some hit really good shots. Some didn't. Probably would have been me, to be honest with you guys. But who's here to judge? Now, as you can see from back here, you do have a patio upstairs or a balcony upstairs. And we'll take a look at that once we go up there. But let's make our way back inside so you guys can see the rest of the first floor here. Back here towards the entrance of the house, we have a couple of bedrooms. Now this house is a Airbnb at the moment. This house is currently generating almost $250,000 in gross rentals every single year. I want to give a big shout out to my colleague Chris Gabriel for allowing us to show this property as well. This is his listing. Most of these rooms, they're pretty standard, so whoever purchases this home has kind of a blank canvas. You'll be able to come in and really add the touches that you'd like to personalize them to your suits. Here we have a long hallway. Here we have a half bath right over here to the left. And as we make our way down this hallway, we have another bedroom, and all of these bedrooms are en suites. They have a bathroom inside of them. Here's a place where I would probably spend a lot of time, if I'm being honest with you guys. Got a theater room right in here. Now this is the garage that has been converted into a theater room. But it's a massive space. It has plenty of space for additional seating if you'd like to add to it. And really quick, I'd like to show you guys, you do still have a 1-car garage over here that can be used as a storage for a golf cart. This is a golf cart friendly community, or for your personal vehicle. And then last but not least, we have the last bedroom downstairs. This is also an ensuite as well, as mentioned before. And I do like that this one has a shower and a bathtub as well. This is for the adults. Don't put the kids in this bedroom. All right, we're gonna make our way down this long hallway. This house does does have high ceilings, granite countertops, has a gourmet kitchen that has already been built. This is a perfect place for a family that's looking for an income generating property, or a family that's looking to have a luxurious vacation home here in the sunshine state of Florida. Upstairs, I love that they have these metal rails up here that allow just the openness here, so you can look downstairs, you can overlook from up here. You have plenty of windows up top. You can see the golf course, plenty of natural daylight. We probably don't even need the lights on right now, to be honest with you guys, but we do that to showcase it and make it look better. Upstairs, we have this large playroom. That's what we'll call it. You can have your pool table, you can have your games. We have a poker table in here. We have TV entertainment system as well. And this is the room that leads out to that balcony from upstairs that overlooks the golf course. Oh, look at the dog, just free roaming. He's not a golfer, but he's enjoying the course. Now imagine waking up in a cup of coffee here to start your day. Maybe one day I'll be able to buy this house. Let's take it on inside, guys. First up, we have a beautiful princess room decorated with 4 beds here. We have 4 mattresses. 1 is full and 3 twin mattresses here. It's perfect for the girls. I don't think the lights are on. Let's turn the lights on and see. All right, it does take away a little bit of the magic. Turn the lights back off, turn them back off. But a beautiful room decorated for the girls. Up next, we have another bedroom here, full ensuite as well. Do keep in mind that this property is on a short-term rental program, and from what I've heard, a lot of golfers like to stay at this house. One of the things that differentiates Reunion from a lot of other places here in Central Florida when it comes to the vacation market is that it attracts a lot of golfers from all around the world because of the 3 signature golf courses that we have here. I like this room. It's kind of like, I feel like it could be really, really dark in here. Yeah. Sleep really, really good. And then we have the ensuite here with the shower. We have a full bathroom right over here with a door that does connect into the boys' room. Here we have the superhero room. This is the Marvel room. I really like that this house, knowing a little bit about the Airbnb market and being in the property management game, I really like that this house is a blank canvas and someone can come in here and make it their own. A lot of the houses that are sold around here are already pre-themed, so you have to kind of buy someone else's idea. But with this house here, you have the opportunity to be able to deck it out in any way that you'd like, whether that's with the animation themes like Disney and Marvel and things like that, or if you just want to make it a golfer's paradise, I might rent it from you if you do. We do have a full ensuite here as well. Similar setup to one of the bedrooms downstairs with the glass shower and the bathtub. I feel like you can work out in this hallway, running back and forth. Now we're gonna go into this room right over here. Right over here. This looks like this is the master upstairs. One of the bigger rooms that we have available in the house here. All right, we've got one more room to show you guys before we finish off this tour of the home. Here's the final bedroom right over here. And in case you forget something in your car, you can just take a little hop and a scoop right here and jump right on down to your vehicle. Now that you've had a look at this property, let us know down in the comments what you think of it. Is this house worth $2.4 million to you here in Reunion, Florida, with all of the amenities that are included here in the community and also all of the upgrades that were done to the house? My name is Jomar Concepcion. Me and my sister are part of the Friendly Real Estate Group, and on this channel, we show you guys homes all over Central Florida so you and your family can narrow down your decision on where you're gonna be living at next. We really appreciate you watching this video. If you haven't yet, make sure that you subscribe down below and hit the little bells for notifications so you're notified every single time a brand new video comes out. At the very least, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up so more families like yourself can see content like this. The next step is give us a call. Let us help you with the purchase of your next Florida property. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you guys in the next one.